A ruling made by the country's highest court is something the mayor of Burien has been hoping for.
Every day I was getting up to wait and see if the Supreme Court was going to release their opinion.
This morning, the U.S. Supreme Court issued a ruling about a case out of Oregon, deciding 6-3 cities can enforce bans on homeless people camping in public spaces. This has been a big topic of contention in Burien, where for nearly 4 months, the King County Sheriff's Office has been refusing to enforce the city's law that bans camping in public areas at all times of the day and night if people refuse services.
The sheriff's lawsuit against us in federal court was asking the constitutional question of if we are violating individuals' constitutional rights around cruel and unusual punishment.
While the federal court case deciding if Burien's law is constitutional has not yet been ruled on, Mayor Kevin Schilling believes today's Supreme Court decision proves the city's law is constitutional.
I had no doubt that our ordinance was constitutional. I'm happy to see that it is constitutional because we can begin enforcing it now once the sheriff and once the lawsuit that they started is either dismissed or has some sort of ruling in the federal court case it's in.
But the King County Sheriff's Office disagrees and still believes Burien's law is unconstitutional. The Sheriff's Office sent a statement saying, "Our deputies are sworn to uphold the Constitution of the United States, and we remain steadfast in our position that Burien's ordinance violates these rights." The Sheriff's Office says a new ordinance needs to be created that includes prohibited camping locations and includes specific wording on the conduct prohibited in no camping zones.
It's a civil citation. It's not criminal, nothing like that. It's just, we've asked you, we've given you something, you've said no, but you can't continue to be here if you're saying no to a service.
Now that today's case is decided, Mayor Schilling is now waiting for his city's case to be decided too.
I hope that King County will follow whatever decision the judge makes, or we're going to continue down this line of them not doing something that is constitutional that we're paying them to do.
I also reached out to the King County Regional Homelessness Authority about the Supreme Court ruling. They called it devastating. They said they're concerned about the impacts it will have on people who are homeless. In Burien, Connor Board, King 5 News.